Welcome to Design Patterns in 1 minute. Today we'll be looking at the Object Pool Design Pattern. The Object Pool Design Pattern is designed to improve the performance of programs that frequently instantiate and destroy objects, but only need a comparatively small number of objects instantiated at one time. As an example, consider a game like Space Invaders or Galaga, where players and enemies fire projectiles. The number of projectiles fired during a game session is significantly larger than the number of projectiles visible on screen at any given moment. Using the object pool design pattern, we create a pool of objects, or in this case, bullets. And instead of instantiating a new bullet every time one is fired, we instead get a bullet from the pool and return it to the pool when it is no longer needed. The pool of objects may grow as needed or may be kept to a maximum size if developers wish to use the pool as a way of managing resources. Object pools are often implemented as singletons. For a quick overview of the singleton design pattern, check out this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to see more great software development related content.